Windows. Windows is the most popular desktop operating system in the world, developed by Microsoft. Its journey started in 1985 with Windows 1.0, which was originally not even a complete operating system, but a graphical interface built on top of MS-DOS. Over the years, Windows evolved through legendary releases like Windows 95, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, and the latest versions of Windows 11. The biggest reason behind Windows' success is compatibility. Unlike many operating systems, Windows can run on thousands of different computers from countless manufacturers. Whether you are gaming, studying, programming, editing videos, or running a business, Windows probably has software designed for your needs. Another advantage is gaming. Because most PC games are built with Windows in mind, it has the largest gaming library and supports technologies like DirectX. However, Windows is not perfect. Because it runs on such a massive variety of hardware, optimization can sometimes be inconsistent. Older computers may become slow, updates can sometimes interrupt users at inconvenient times, and because Windows is the world's most common operating system, it is also the biggest target for malware. And of course, almost everyone has seen the famous blue screen of death at least once. macOS. macOS is Apple's operating system designed specifically for Mac computers. Unlike Windows, which runs on hardware from many different companies, macOS only runs officially on Apple devices like MacBooks and iMacs. This limited hardware support is actually one of Apple's biggest advantages. Because Apple controls both the hardware and software, macOS is highly optimized, stable, and smooth. It is especially popular among creative professionals such as video editors, designers, photographers, and musicians. Applications like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and GarageBand are deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem. Another major advantage is ecosystem integration. If you own an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch, your devices can communicate seamlessly through features like AirDrop, iCloud, and Continuity. However, macOS has some disadvantages. The biggest one is price. Since you can only get macOS on Apple hardware, users usually have to pay more compared to buying a Windows PC with similar specifications. Gaming is also a weakness because many games and graphics technologies are still optimized mainly for Windows.